If you've ever scrolled endlessly trying to find an old message in a busy Telegram conversation, you know how frustrating that can be. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to search for a specific message on Telegram, whether it's in a one-on-one chat, a group, or a channel. By the end, you'll be able to quickly track down important info, funny moments, or shared links without wasting time. Let's dive right in and make your Telegram experience way more efficient. First off, open the chat, group, or channel where you want to search. It's important to do this step before using the search feature, because Telegram's in-chat search lets you look specifically within the conversation that matters and avoids pulling up results from every chat you've ever had. If you have a lot of conversations, you can use Telegram's main search at the very top to jump into the correct chat, then follow these steps. Think of this like walking into the right room before you start looking for a lost item, instead of searching the whole house. Once you're inside the chat, look up at the top right corner for the little magnifying glass icon. That's your search tool. On some versions of Telegram, you might see a search bar right away. The magnifying glass is pretty much universal across devices, and it's easy to miss if you're new to Telegram or just haven't needed to search before. Give it a tap, and don't worry if it takes a second to bring up the search bar, especially on slower connections or in giant groups. Now this is where the magic happens. Type your keyword, phrase, or even just a unique part of the message you remember. Maybe you're hunting for an address your friend sent you 6 months ago or a meme someone posted last week. For best results, use the most unique or memorable word from the message, since generic terms might bring up too many matches. This search works with both words and phrases, and it's not case sensitive, which means pizza and pizza will pull up the same results. Take your time here. Sometimes it helps to try a couple different keywords if you're not seeing what you expect. If you're on desktop, Telegram gives you a powerful filter option. Next to the search bar, you'll see a small calendar icon. Click this to open a date picker that lets you jump directly to messages from a particular day. This is especially helpful if you remember roughly when the conversation happened but not the exact wording. Maybe you remember your friend mentioned vacation plans in March, just jump to that month. This can save you a lot of scrolling and guesswork, so don't be afraid to experiment with the calendar to narrow things down. Once your search results appear, Telegram will highlight the first match for you right inside the chat. To move between results, use the up and down arrows that show up near the search bar. Each tap will take you to the next or previous message that matches your search. Don't worry if there are dozens of results in an active group. Telegram makes it really easy to step through each one in order, and the message will be clearly highlighted so you can spot it at a glance. If you don't find what you need on the first try, tweak your keywords or use another filter and keep clicking through the results. And that's it. With these simple steps, you'll never have to scroll back through months of messages just to find that one important detail again. You'll be amazed how much time this saves, especially in busy group chats. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about searching or if you have your own Telegram tips to share. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.